Hi, my name is Charlotte Skiles. I am a nutrition consultant and clinical herbalist with Eat in Peace Wellness Consulting, located in Austin, Texas. And today's topic is liver cleansing diet recipes. There are a ton of recipes for liver cleansing. One particular food that comes to mind as being beneficial are beets. The liver loves beets. So keep that in mind in terms of your food preparation at home. Is how do you incorporate beets into your diet? Both the bulb, the red part, and the leafy greens can be sauteed in something like butter and garlic for liver support. So that would be something to think about. Now, as far as one specific recipe that comes to mind that I and my clients love is called a cleansing soup. It's very easy to make. So what you will want to do is get a quart of water on your stove in a pot and grate about, I would say, an inch of fresh ginger root into that pot. Bring it to a boil. So in essence, you're kind of making a ginger tea of sorts. Bring it to a boil and then reduce it to simmer. At that point, what you want to add is the juice of a lemon, cilantro sliced up, maybe a quarter of a cup of cilantro, some kelp flakes for their mineral content. So the place that I recommend getting those from is Ryan Drum. You can just Google him and he has the best seaweed I've ever found. Ryan Drum, D-R-U-M. And then you want to add a pinch of cayenne pepper and a little bit of salt and simmer that for a few minutes and then add a tablespoon of miso. And you have a lovely cleansing soup that you can then top off with chopped green onions. Just throw those on top before serving, and that will be very supportive for your liver and your entire body.